a body moving in a circular path with constant speed, with constant speed. So, as speed of body is constant and body is moving in a circular path, it means that body is performing uniform circular motion. See here, speed is constant. See here, that body is performing circular motion along the circumference of circle. Now, let V1, V2, V3, V4 be the velocity of body at different position. Velocity of body at different position. Now, speed is constant, it means mod of V1 equal to mod of V2 equal to mod of V3 equal to mod of V4. Means if you measure the magnitude of velocity at any position, it is same, means speed of that body which is performing UCM is constant, speed is constant, but as the direction of velocity is different at different position, but as the direction of velocity is different at different position means velocity is not constant, velocity of that body is not constant, and because the momentum is equal to mass into velocity, as velocity is not constant, therefore momentum of a body is also not constant, momentum of body will also not constant, but because direction of acceleration, because body is performing UCM, so direction of acceleration is continuously changing. So, acceleration is also not constant, direction of acceleration is changing, it means acceleration is also not constant. So, the only thing which remains constant by this body is its kinetic energy, because kinetic energy is given by formula half mv square, half mv square. So, whenever a body is moving in a circular path with a constant speed, means that body is performing UCM. So, its velocity, momentum and acceleration, they are continuously changing. The only factor which remains constant is its kinetic energy. So, option A is the correct option for this question, that is kinetic energy remains constant.